Hello Ayaru, how are you? Welcome to today's our interview. So I hope we will have a very interesting time and to get answers to all of our questions.
Thanks. Very well.
So first of all, let's tell about yourself, about your interests. What do you do in your free time, your hobbies, etc.
I'm 12 years old. I'm studying in the 6th grade, and in my free time I like to study foreign languages. In addition to English, there are also Chinese and Turkish. After school, I study English with a native English speaker online by Skype. And I really like our lessons because they are very spectacular and impressive. And also at the weekdays, I like to practice my speaking English with someone who speaks English. For example, my sister, she speaks 5 languages. It motivates me a lot, so I like speaking in another language because it not only develops my pronunciation, but it's also very interesting to discuss different topics in another language.
Wow, yeah, I see. Your pronunciation is perfect, yeah. So why did you decided to choose exactly English, not another subject to protect your project work?
Because I'm going to connect my future with the English language. That's why I study English in depth, and for my future job, the knowledge of English is required.
Okay, thank you. Was it difficult to defend your project work? What kind of difficulties have you encountered in your project work activity?
It wasn't so hard to defend the project work, but there were worries because it was the first time I participated in this competition. And if we talk about the problems and difficulties, firstly, there was almost no new literature on English in libraries. Secondly, not all students have practice to read, and therefore information may be incorrect. Thirdly, setting the goal of the research questions. There was a large selection of problems that needed to be addressed, so I had a big dilemma in front of me which question to investigate.
Okay, thank you. So, who do you want to become in the future, and who do you see yourself as?
In the future, I want to become a diplomat. I want to work at the consulate of Kazakhstan in the USA.
Wow, perfect. Thank you. What is your closest goals? What about your closest goals? Yeah, not big dreams.
My goals are to continue learning and mastering foreign languages and continue to participate in various projects. And the most important goal for me is to participate in the Flex program.
Thank you. Yeah, I know this program. Not all students can, but I hope you. What can you advise your peers from your experience?
Advice from me to peers is have no fear to participate in various competitions, projects, and learn foreign languages. Have no fear. And believe in yourself. Go boldly to your goal, and just develop.
Yeah. Thank you. So it was very interesting. Thank you a lot to coming to our interview, and I hope you will reach all of your dreams, all of your goals. Only good luck, health, wealth, and happiness. Goodbye.